Hello, frustrated marketers. Okay, let me show you something that it took me brain numbing over a month to find. And I'm going to show you where to find your keyword planner. And I understand that this must be simplistic to some people, but for a person like me, guess what? It took me a long ass time to learn where the keyword planner is. My AdWords account, and I'm going to sign in here. And this is for the new way of doing Google AdWords. They changed it around, and I'm going to show you exactly how to find it really quick. So this is going to be a quick tutorial about where the heck is the Google Keyword Planner. Okay, so once you're in the account, if you go to Tools, you're not going to see here. It's supposed to be here, Shared Library. It's not here. Don't look for it here because it's not here. You have to click on a campaign. And then from the campaign, then when you click it, surprise, that's where the Keyword Planner is. So when you click on the Keyword Planner, now you could start searching for your keywords. It's the simplest thing once you know where it's at. So you know what? That's where it is. I hope this was very, very good for you. I hope that this was helpful for you. I know it took me a long time to find where the keyword planner is, but honestly, definitely do it that way. It's quick, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much.